Let's start with connecting the extensions. Insert end into socket and lower. Holding both pieces, slide the locking ring forward until it clicks. See this writing? It says locked and unlocked. Slide the locking ring to whichever position you need. Next are the paddles and canister. Align slots onto the clip and pull until the handle locks. To detach, press lock release and push handle off. Attach. Connect paddles to black clips with tabs pointing towards handles. Position. Hold sock canister between the leg with handles extending out. You can also straddle the leg with the handles. Load. Make sure the toe of the sock is pointing out with the heel facing the canister. Then stretch the top of the sock over the canister and continue to slide down till you see the inside of the toe. Prepare. Lower the sock tool to the floor where it will be comfortable to use. Then use the handles to push the sock tool against the floor while inserting your foot. Insert. Slide your foot into the sock till you can see your toe past the edge of the sock. Rotate. Rotate sock canister up until the grips engage with the floor and then push the heel into the sock. Pull. Use handles to pull the sock up your leg and push your foot down to the floor. Insert shoehorn and slide foot down. Slip shoehorn between sock and leg. Push sock down over heel and off your foot. Use the hook to assist in pulling clothes on and off. You can pull up your pants and you can pull a jacket over your shoulder. It also can pick up clothes and other items off the floor.